race fans. Welcome back to the Rhythm and Smoke Racing channel. I'm your host, Rhythm and Smoke, aka Mr. 81. Today is my unboxing video for some new racing gear. These are the new, as you can see on the box, O&P racing shoes. The delivery guy just dropped these off just a moment ago, so I thought I'd pop on here and share that with you. But before we get into that, these are my old O&P racing shoes. You can see these are just the basic bare bones racing shoe, nothing too fancy about them. But these were my first ever pair of racing shoes I ever bought. I've had them for quite some time, and I've used them everywhere from autocross to HPDE days to time attack to I even hop on the sim rig and use these shoes to race on with. But these are all worn out now. Like I said, I've had them for quite some time, and it's time to get rid of them and upgrade. So let's move on over to unboxing these bad boys. Check it out. All right. You hear that, guys? Sounds like winning. Let's get these open, shall we? Well, off the top, off rip, you get your own racing shoe bag. I like that. I like that a lot. These didn't come with a shoe bag, but the price difference between these and these is about $130 difference, and I'll tell you why in just a moment. But let's open it up. Let's get the opening, unboxing. Yeah, you can see I went with the black and with the white trim O&P First shoes. These are the O&P First racing shoes, literally called First. Got the O&P logo across the top of the shoe here, across the toes. Has an additional ankle strap for more support. Even has the O&P on the bottom of the shoe. I dig that. Oh, I'm digging that a lot. Now the reason why the price difference between these shoes and these shoes is that these are FIA homologated. What that means is that it meets the certain new standard for fire retardant clothing, fire retardant race suits, fire retardant gloves, shoes, and these are a part of that homologation. So it is the FIA 8856-2018, the FIA 8856-2018 homologation. This is the latest and greatest in homologation for fire retardant. If you want to look up all the specs on fire retardant, be my guest. But all I know is these meet the standard when it comes to fire retardation and protecting you from getting hot and burnt up in the race car. So these are going to pull a real good premium on race day, as they should say. So how about we break these in on the sim rig, shall we? Let's go. Alright guys, so here we are. I've taken my old 8.6 O&P steering wheel. It was sitting in the closet just collecting dust, and it was my son's idea to get an adapter and mount it to my sim rig, to do some drift practice. Got my THA shift knob, But today we're going to be running an RX-7 on the Nuremberg ring. So let's take a lap around and see how these shoes feel. It's been a minute since I drove to Nuremberg. I tell you, man, these shoes feel much better. Just keep my feet a lot cooler too. Like they feel cool on my feet. They look cool and they feel cool. stop. Alright guys, well that's my time. I'm going to finish up this lap. So I hope you're having a good weekend. And remember guys, always keep the shine side up and rubber side down. Peace.